G'day and welcome back to TearDown Bench. This came in the other day. It's a DVD drive for a PC. It does read, it probably does write, but the door won't open. Let me show you what I mean. I have this power adapter. It comes out with a Molex connector so I can power up external hard drives and CD-ROM drives. On the back here it has the new connectors. So I will use this adapter. Molex in, SATA power out. And in the back here, we'll just plug that in. There's actually a power switch that I need to turn on. Bit of a noise. There's a green light. There's noise. And you can hear the drive wants to eject. Oh, there we go. It does work sometimes. And again it works. But it's just not reliable. So let's pull it apart. Looking at the drive, it looks okay. It's not damaged. On the bottom here you'll see it will say Light On Corp. And down here you'll see it say manufacture date, November 2009. So this drive is about 5 years old. On the back there's only two things. There's the connection for the SATA cable and the connection for the power. On the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, let's pull the bottom off. This is the bottom plate. You'll see with this model there's two boards. There's a connector that runs between the two boards, and this connector here goes down to where the head would be. So let's disconnect and let's start pulling things apart. the DVD's front drawer cover. Sometimes this has to be removed for some of the PC systems that are built. Front plate. The top plate looks like there's a plate that's glued on the front, and inside there's a plastic wheel. You can now see the bottom of the mechanism. This spins around. This is the head. It moves back and forth. This is the motor to move the head forwards and backwards. It's a stepping motor. This simply unclips. There's another connector from the board down to the motor. And another one here as well. So this is connected to the arm. This is connected to the drive here to drive the there's a motor here to drive the disc, spin the disc around. So this is the communications to the head. This drives the motor that spins this axle that moves the arm, moves the head forwards and back. This will drive the motor that spins the disc. There's a few rubbers here, a bit greasy. The head is mounted to the head and the laser is mounted to a circuit board. There is a belt right here. So far everything's just clipping out. Let's see how this goes. There's a couple of big screws right here. And these rubber mounts, I think, will pop out like so. Oops. Oh. And it's locked together. If I put the screwdriver in there, or eject it, and that's a drive motor for the disc. Another couple of screws here and one of the rods, and here's the laser. What's left is the motor that drives the arm. Still a couple of screws left. This spins around. Not a lot left. More screws. I can see through that. This is the main circuit board.